So you've got a killer business idea? Maybe it's the next big food truck, a game-changing app, or a cozy neighborhood bookstore. But let's be real. Turning that dream into reality, it almost always comes down to money. The good news is, you don't have to go it alone. Government loans are totally a thing. Today, I'll break down exactly how you can get one to kickstart your business journey. First things first, figure out what type of business loan you need. Government-backed loans usually fall under programs like the SBA and the US startup loans in the UK or similar schemes wherever you live. These programs help people with grit, passion, and ambition, maybe not a trust fund. Step 1. Research your options. Go online, check your government's small business site, or talk to a local business development center. You'll find a list of loan programs for startups, for minority founders, for specific industries. Make a short list of what fits you best. Next, get your paperwork in order. This means a business plan, your vision, your plan for making money, and how much you'll need to get started. Add in projected expenses, how you'll market your business, and what makes you stand out. The more specific, the better. Now apply. Most government loans use an online application form. You'll need to upload your business plan, personal financial info, and sometimes a bit about your background. Don't stress if you don't have perfect credit. These loans help beginners, not just the already rich. After you apply, the waiting game begins. Use this time to refine your idea network with other entrepreneurs and talk to local mentors for tips and confidence. And that's it. Government loans aren't a magic wand, but they're a real stepping stone. You've got the vision. Now you've got the roadmap. Dream big, plan smart, and make that business happen. Because the world really does need what you've got to offer. Because the world really does need what you've got to offer. Because the world really does need what you've got to offer. Dream big, plan smart, and make that business happen. Step 1, research. Step 2, plan. Step 3, apply. Step 4, network. Hit subscribe for more practical startup tips. You've got the vision. Now go build it. Dream big, plan smart, and make that business happen.